I'm starting. Okay. What is ITL? IT Infrastructure Library. Information Technology Infrastructure Library. One question is asked like, what is ITL? Information Technology Infrastructure Library, which provide practicals, non-practical, no nonsense framework for identifying. Important is identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business. Benefits of ITL is improved IT services, reduce the cost, customer satisfaction, improve productivity, improve use of skills and experience. Already explained everything. Okay, so we see that. Next, ITIL has a 5 life cycles: service strategy, service design, service transition, service operations, continual service improvement. What are these life cycles? So for understanding easy way, I will tell this thing. So it is very easy to understand and tell. So you can take any example for explaining ITL. Okay. So we'll take like this. What is service strategy? Service strategy main is planning. So in planning, again it will ask the question like starting without regarding we are discuss something, right? Like how to construct a building or metro railways, or you can take any example hotel businesses for understanding service strategy. Importance of service strategy is like concentrating on main financial. First of all, in a service strategy you have to put a question called why, what is this service, what service we are providing. Okay, so we are starting a business, what is this business. Okay, so then what is the financial, what is the demand in the market. For example, I want to start a internet services, what is the demand now. So actually actually means it's a virtually, actually I have to say. So virtually like business is very less, IT internet services requirement is there because of corona and our internet service is required, but how many people are going for that one, how many people are going for that one. Okay, where is the demand now? Mobile internet is more using because Geo, Airtel, Vodafone providing 4G internet services. A lot of people not going for a home internet connection services, right? So maybe last year and to this year more internet service demand is increased, computer sales, laptop sales increasing. Maybe later it may be reduced. Have to plan according to it. What is the demand of our product? Demand on the in a market. Okay. How long you will work? How long? The longer you have to survive in the industry. So how long you can work? So by how to survive in a longer period of time. So everything we have to understand, question, and next plan for that one. Okay. Once you got a financial support, like you take money from bank or maybe investors or maybe a stock market. So you'll take money and how to utilize that money, how to utilize the money. So to improve your quality of the services, to improve the approach the more customers, more productivity purpose. Okay. um, Different examples are there in a service strategy. Okay, to that one. Okay, so how to employees salaries means some companies have more employees than requirement, some companies are very less. So depends upon that how you are employing, that is what HR means. Okay, so planning according to it, design it. So design the service. So based on your planning, customer target. If you remember or not, so I don't know, but when Jio launched at the time, the Mukesh Ambani announced that so these many like a 10 lakh or a 1 crore users we will get in within 3 months. So targeting the customer, what kind of customer it is, what type of customer. Okay, so getting a customer into the business, right? So that is the targeting business people, customers, right? How many customer will
Creating
join?
market.
Market, yes, depends upon the market. and what is the market space for your business, like that. Okay, for example, I want to start a hotel management. Right, how much demand for that one? Here in our Pune, in my line only, there is a South Wala is there. South Wala. The owner is not South Indian, and I think so. The cook also not South Indian, and the product is label is South Indian label, but not even a taste wise or a product wise. It is not even a South or North. It is worst. Okay, so someone suggested me that hotel. I went there and I really get a um, that. So I went. I scolded that person who suggested that one also. Okay, uh, so South Wala. The person, the owner is not even a South Indian. The cook is not a South Indian. The cookies look like l- cookies maybe is a black person, but not South Indian person. Okay, so they people think maybe
Say
because
try Vaishali
yeah, I went there, I
on
ate
HB
dosa
Road.
and all. It is worst. You tried
Vadeshwar
that?
is also good, sir.
Which one?
Vadeshwar, sir,
Vadeshwar. I don't know
on
where it
HB
is.
Road.
I don't go that much place. In a Karvinagar only anything. Yeah. So, Vadeshwar means it's by name itself. You understand that is North Indian style or a Marathi. That is different. You put a South Wala, but it didn't serve anything. No one is South Indians, so it attracts others like a dosa, idli, rice related one, right? So like that, I plan a business in a certain area. Like here, if I want to start a hotel business in Pune, most of the people prefer rotis only, not other than that one, or biryanis. Okay, of course. That near to Tech Mahindra, there is a biryani, is Hyderabadi spice. Okay, so like that, it is. They will get a demand. So depends upon the business. You see the market. What is the market? So what people prefer in that area? What kind of people like that? We have to plan it. Okay. Next, designing according to that one. Design according to that one. Okay, and start implementation. Service strategy means service transition means implement what you design, test it, deploy it. Okay, service operations. After deploying, maintenance, monitoring it, supporting, troubleshooting, the any issues occurs. And CSI, so supporting above life cycles. It is include other things also, but I didn't add that point. What is a above life cycle supporting is uh, for everything. Like we take information from planning and designing and implementation time, required changes, what changes we made it so far, or deployment and issues occurs from the so many days, like what are the issues are occur by from the customers, reporting from the customers. Okay, so we have to take it and analyze it and improve our service quality. CSI will suggest other life cycles to what to improve. So then by improving the service quality, by improving the service quality, that is the main thing about CSI. Okay, continuous service improvement. Next one is CSI also will give you suggestion for a next implementation. It means, for example, I started a some dosa bandi, so roadside some mirchi bandi or a dosa bandi I started. So I getting a business good, so I improved a lot. I attract the customer who can able to pay more, not like a cheap kind of stuff. It's I maintain a hygienic, maintain quality of the food and everything. So I will get a business and more trust I will get it. So I will use it and I will implement. So I will add more items in. I will add more services in that one. So then I can next step I can go for it. Maybe you can see Dhirubhai Ambani is one of the example. He started a business with a very less expensive, but I don't know what he done to get a greater business candidate. But I didn't study the book, and no one is telling also. Everybody is telling he paid 500 rupees started business. He created a 5,000 create business. So that I don't know what happened in middle. We don't discuss that one. We should not discuss. So the thing is, started with a small and start and become a big ones, right? So if you take Tata, we know that one. So Tata has a business like a one or two business, Tata Steel, Tata Motors kind of stuff. So later they implemented a business into all other sectors. So when IT company into the worldwide IT company started, then they started a TCS, Tata Motors, Tata Electrical now. Okay, like a other air force related. So there is so many investments and businesses is there. Okay, right? So started with that, next implementation and solving issues, improve the service qualities, then we can able to stable. I want to give an example in a service quality improvement also. So when I was in Hyderabad so many years back after my engineering, okay, almost like a 10 years back, yeah, almost 10 years back. So I was in my sister's home, and we want to take internet connection. So I went to internet center. I opened Beam network. The name is Beam network. The Beam network. I given my details, and they called me. So meanwhile, I search in Google. They got a lot of complaints. I read the complaints. Some of the complaints, like when internet is not working, if you call to the Beam people, they said there is a port error or a port cut virus. Okay, some their servers are down. So many issues they are telling in that one. So it is a local internet connection only for certain areas Beam will distribute the connection. So because of so many complaints, I moved to Reliance. So Reliance direct telephone come internet service is there. So later we changed the house and we disconnected it. And now the Beam is also lot of changes. They taken a lot of investments. They implement Beam. They came to the fiber optical connections. Now the Beam is called now ACT. Okay, so and is also using in so many other cities also. ACT. This is ACT Corporation. So ACT 500. Okay. So even my hometown, we don't have any internet connection in that area. So I these ACT people came. The freshly they are starting business. So maybe one or two connections maximum they achieved. So we took a connection from him from them. This is ACT. Okay, this is initially it is a Beam. The Beam, the further they develop and they take an investment. So instead of giving a normal connection, they started giving a fiber optical connection, high speed internet broadband. Okay, a lot of data supply is also there, like we can able to go for it. Okay, so the cost is reliable cost compared to all others. Reliable cost they are providing, stable internet connection, speed internet connections we are getting. So this is ACT also providing streaming, TV, media kind of stuff also. These are the cities they are providing now. It is only Hyderabad, only some areas only. Now currently there are in a larger areas, including Bangalore. Bangalore is very large in, coverage is there. Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Coimbatore, Elur. This is Andhra Pradesh small areas also. Elur, Guntur, Jaipur, Kakinada, Madurai, Nellore, Rajahmundry, Tirupati. Again, this is Tamil Nadu, Tiruvallur, Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, and Warangal. So Pune is not there in the list. Okay, so like it. Hathway, Hathway is a small internet service provider. So now it is big in a corporate, but they sell Hathway 50% owned by now Reliance. This is also providing. It is available in Pune, of course. It is also available in multiple cities. Okay. Okay. So Pune, so Kolkata, Visakhapatnam also available. Like, okay. The cost justified cost is also there. So that is an example of improvement. So issues, find out the issues, implement, and get into the stronger in the business, understand the business strategy in outcomes like that. Okay. Actually, for ITL, I will first I will starting a ITL. I will tell one. I will show one picture to everyone to understand easy way. So to understand service strategy. Okay. Okay. These are five life cycles. Each life cycle I pasted. I took a few things from there to discuss it. Okay. Now ITL service strategy. Objective of ITL service strategy is to decide on a strategy to serve customers. To serve the customers. So what services we have to provide. Strategy in that one. Starting from assessment of customer needs, what customer requirement. Okay, as you said, like a urban company. Okay, nowadays it's very difficult to find a service person. Like I want to clean my AC, or maybe washroom or anything, like repairing stuff. It is very difficult in a city areas to go out and find it. Now just go to the online and given your information, so service guy will come up and he will repair it as per your requirement. Okay. Marketplace, what is there in a market, so what is the demand in the market. Think like earlier, so we have a Colgate, some Sibaka, some kind of stuff. Now Patanjali take over the market about maximum products, like including food related products or washing related products and all. So because of marketplace, people are bored with the previous approaches. Now they want a change. So like Colgate waste Shakti is a blockbuster. If it is not recorded, I will scold more. Colgate Ved Shakti. So people Ved, you have to hear. If you hear Ved means something like they will went to the Vedas, they studied all Vedas and now they created this one. Even they don't know what is the actually what is Veda also. They put a Ved Shakti, so automatically people mind will create. Colgate is from so many years now they are into Vedas. So there are prayer to God, they got a directly a paste from there. Colgate salt, there is a salt in a Colgate paste, lavang, something like that, right? So yeah, I will tell one thing. So I don't want to go, but still I can't able to keep things. My okay, where, this is. So don't worry. Only one picture only. Actually, I have to show two pictures. This is my old traditional picture from 2017 onwards. Last year I got another picture also. I didn't remember where. So it's in my mobile phone only, I think. Okay. So this is what market strategy nowadays. So here I tell, if I tell negative way, understand the negative way, and think other side is there. So what reality and what is this negative way? So this is your beautiful my picture. I take it. Okay, it is not social media. The shoes is mine only. Okay. So I went to a store in a Hyderabad. Okay, I find this one. Herbal eggs. Okay, herbal eggs. It means herbs means it's from tree, and maybe the eggs from the tree also. It is not from the chicken or something. It is not chicken egg. It is, so maybe the color also showing like that. It's like a gulab jam color. Okay, so maybe it is from that one herbs only, but they are given a non-veg sticker. Okay, consult, and it is from 1987 onwards, not a new one also. They put a quality product since 1918 onwards. Herbal eggs. Maybe they are feeding herbs to the chicken, or maybe they directly taken from the plant. Okay, so this is what people are thinking is like Ayurvedic or Vedic or no chemicals, organic. Okay, so people, that kind of mindset, people doing business based on that, based on people mindset only. So I'm not saying like this is company cheating on you, because our mentality is like that. Okay, so last time I talked to one of my mate, so then we send a message that better, I suggest better to eat fruits in evening time, so then you can reduce the weight. So she said like no, fruits are all put a chemicals inside, so I don't want to eat fruits. So because just treat the people, because what you eat, what you believe, that is completely wrong. That is happening from so many years because of so many different people came into India. But now we are believing ourselves like our food is wrong. Our food is wrong. Okay. So food is a food only. So whether you live or die, that's a different point. So the people said this is a food is wrong. Whatever you eat, that is wrong. Okay. So that is then get a marketplace. Okay. So create a thread the people with whatever the idea you are implementing on it. So milk is wrong. To drinking milk is wrong because it's from cows, buffaloes, and other animals are maybe okay. So drinking a milk is wrong because it's an animal thing. So try a soya milk. Then where do you find a soya milk? Do you go to soya plant and milking? So you have to buy a soya milk. Business for soya people only. Don't eat rice. If you eat rice, you will get a diabetic. Okay, people who are eating from whole life, like you can see North India side. So mostly they are eat wheat related thing like a chapati, roti kind of stuff. They'll never get a diabetic or what. Okay, so this is what market is happening. That's why I will don't go to show the pictures. So I will get mad. Okay, but thing is what customer requirements, what kind of things are required by customer, what is the marketplace hope for the market, based on that create a service only. You are creating a service and the service is no longer used for a customers, then what is the use? Like for example, I want to start a mobile service like signal service, 2G only. Who will buy, right? Why BSNL? See, they don't get a 4G license from the government, of course. Okay, so they are not, they should get a freely, but they are not able to pay for a 4G, and as well as they are stuck up to 3G only. So marketplace, they are not in the marketplace. Everybody is getting 4G from Airtel, Vodafone, Idea, and Geo. Okay, but they are not getting 4G, so they stop getting in the market. How many businesses are closed because of new change is not adopting new change based on the customers? So that is important here. Okay, not that negative thing what I said. So think marketplace. The service strategy process determine which service IT organizations to offer and what capability need to be developed. I want to offer a service. It means what capabilities I have to develop. I have to develop what capabilities I have to develop. So ultimate goal is to take IT organization think and act in strategic manner. Okay, think and act in a strategic manner. That is called a service strategy. Okay, so that is what, of course there is a life cycles are there, means life cycles also there. You can go to the PPTs. Again I went back. Okay, this is a service strategy. If you go to the service strategy, you can see sub life cycles also. Okay, service design. The goal is to design develop IT services, not matter if it is a service of new service or a improve the existing one. So when you plan for a IT services, it means either you are already providing a services or you are new to the services. You have to design according to the requirements. Design of service is not solely based on technology. So all alone you cannot able to do it, but addresses solution interactingly largely with the business and technical environment. Discuss with your business people and the technical people, so that solution, that design should fulfill the service provider. Okay, so that is we have to strong thing is take it consider whole supply chain required to support the planned service. So understand customer requirement, understand your capacity, understand your issues are there, like understanding of uh, the capacity, financial position, customer target. Based on that you can create a services, design the services. make sure that service can be fulfill the customer requirements. So based on that you have to design it. Next, service level agreement. When you design a service, also you have to create a service level agreement. It is a part of contract where service is formally defined. Means I am telling the customer this is the service you will get it, this is the service you are going to get it. So that is, so make sure that customer will get the service also. What service you are agreed to deliver, that service should be delivered. Just for example, now we are getting a lot of mobile phones, and most of the mobile phones, almost like a 70% of mobile phones working good mobile phones only. Okay, even it is a cheaper or it is a very costly, good mobile phones we are getting, and very cheaper mobile phones we are not there. It is there, but still it is up to 10%, 5% only. But when these smartphones are came up, lot of Chinese mobile phone, non-working and all, something is there. If you see the cost is almost like 5,000, 6,000, but it is not worth of that much money. And people don't have money, so that time, so that what happened? They want to buy a mobile phone, but the mobile phone is not worth it. Even there is a organization, I forget that organization again. They launch tablet for students with a very less price, 1800 or 1900 something. So you have to book, you have to pay them.
Akash tablet maybe.
Akash, very good, correct. Akash tablets only, and it is maybe very less people got it, and very important is after delivery whether it is working or not, no one knows. Okay, very less people get a working model, so most of them not get it also. Later, some same Akash type of someone is try to launch a mobile phone with a 256 rupees something, 250 rupees. Of course, luckily the
Freedom
booking thing.
251.
Hmm? How much?
Freedom 251. Its name Freedom 251.
Freedom 251.
It
Yeah,
was a scam.
251,
It
correct.
was a scam.
It's Freedom 251. It is luckily the payment is not working. It went to Wikipedia to normal one. Okay, this is the mobile phone. It is a minimal phone. Okay, Murli Manohar Joshi attended, but they're not selling it. It's a company from um Ringing Bells Private India Limited. Okay, so luckily payment is not done. So so lot of people save from it. This is the capacity of it, memory utilization and all. Even when you say like this is a very, yeah, it is a scam. It is not even a scam. They want to launch it like that, but booking is not open. That you can book it, but payment is not there. But lot of other things also there. Mostly that. Okay. So they try to give mobile phones with a cheaper cost, but actually the manufacturing is not available. So they stop it. So they are not ready with the mobile phone. There is a model. Well, huge bookings are happen. Payment is not open anyway. So luckily people are saved. Otherwise, everybody sponsored 251 rupees to that company. Okay, it become huge scam. Okay. So luckily the company saved, and we are also saved from 250 rupees scam. Okay, so that is a good one. Okay, so designing according to the customer requirement, what you are agree to provide a service, so deliver the service according to it. Okay, that is what SLA means. I'll do two examples. Understanding SLA is very important because of all your work is an SLA only. SLA is the first your work related thing. Also, I'm explaining SLA. It means your company, means a company agree to provide a particular service to another company. So compulsory, as per the agreement, it should provide a services. If this client company asking different services than SLA, it is not mentioned as SLA. So he asking some service, it is not in a SLA. So you need to provide that service. You need to provide that service. Just for example, one of my students is a very genius student. So while he is studying engineering in Varangal, so in a project work, at time of project, what he done? So he given project work to someone. So he said, I will attend last day only, and he came to our institute where I working. So he joined there, and he's a very smart guy. He's very fast. He will study. Okay, I can't able to catch up his speed also. Okay, and sad thing is, as per his talent, he didn't get a job in first time. He got a desktop support engineer because he don't have any engineering certificate while he's getting a job also. Maybe now maybe he's in a big position. I don't know. Okay, so we don't have any contacts now. Okay, that guy is met me meet. Okay, one day he said, so he has to go to some client companies. So through Wipro is working. Okay, through Wipro is working. So he has to go to some clients, and the client will ask like this. He has to repair the printers and systems only system and printers, repairing or a installation purpose only, not other things. But client is asking, install a OS in my system. Install a, give me a keys. If you have any keys, give me a keys. Okay, so like that. So they demand this one. So what he said, as per my list, as per my SLA is given, what are the service we are agreed to provide, that is repairing the systems, repairing printers, installation of printers and systems only, not to install operating systems, and providing a keys means license, licensing your operating system. It is not my duty, even though you are giving a negative feedback from us, to me, still no problem, because I want to stand on my company agreement only. So what are you agreed, you must provide, and what you are not agreed, you no need to provide. So that is what SLA, that is a very strong bond between your company and your client. Understand? So this is, so that's why you have to talk to the people, the issues they are getting. So luckily, I met this candidate in a letter. I went to another branch, but we met there. Okay. So another one is procurement companies. I will tell so many examples here. Oh, it is so much time. So this is a company. Company need a computers, for example. Okay, company want to purchase. I want to start IT company. Then I need more computers in my company. Okay, now I approach a company. Understand, guys, this one. So this will also tell a lot of stories. Don't worry about it. Okay. So this is my company. This is my company, and I approach. So I need a computers. So I approach a company. What is this company will do? For example, this is a company name is. So I didn't. We don't use Ansu. Uh, yeah, you tell me some easy name. So we'll take from here. So who are available? Lot of people gone already. Maybe they got mad. Ramya is there. We'll kill Ramya today. Ramya Tech Company, IT software engineer. Arshad Mehta, that is a scam. Arshad Mehta. Yeah, there are do there. What is, you know? I have to pause the video for that one. Simple guys, understand what is scam means. Whether it is stock market scam or business scam, like a Sachem computer scam. Sachem computers didn't steal any money from the people. They show the wrong account number to get more money from the banks and as well as projects. But they didn't have any losses. They paid everything. Okay, so they didn't steal our money. First thing. Second one is stock market itself always a scam. So don't worry about it. Okay, so if you are investing in a stock market now, it is very good rising. So where is the product of that stock? Product, the outside product should be there, no? Like for example, gold investment. Okay, gold investment. Without purchasing the gold, you are paying for a gold, sir. For example, I want to invest 1 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees in a stock market on a gold. Do you getting the gold? You're not getting your investment 10 lakhs rupees without purchasing any gold. No one is purchasing, just you are investing, that's it, right? Now this is become now 11 lakhs. The cost of this, what are the thing, now it is increased, it is become 11 lakhs without utilizing, just you are produce the money. What is the use of this one? This is a big scam. We are falling for that one. I'm frankly telling, frank, this is a truth, you can verify anybody, really anybody. Investment on gold, buy a gold, go to the market, buy. If you have a 10 lakhs, buy gold worth of 10 lakh rupees, then tax will go to government. Good, tax will get 10 lakh rupees. You have a gold now. If you utilize, you can utilize. Maybe after 1 year, sell for more money, no problem. At least you buy a gold. This is the item. Your investment, false investment. People who really want a gold, so they can invest a 1 lakh rupees to buy some gold for their ornaments. Now they are not able to buy 30,000 rupees of a gold for 10 grams. Okay, now it is become 60,000, around 60,000. Suddenly it is up, suddenly it is down also, down to 45,000, and reach up to more than 60,000, means around 550. So you can, it is go up to 60,000 and downfall is there. Today if I purchase the gold, tomorrow is not there. People who want to buy normally, people really require, people not getting. Can you say it is a scam? It is not government related, it is only the people, what we are believing, we are doing these false things. Exactly, in Hindi you say, or English, this is the big fraud we are doing. Of course there is a lot of scams are there in India. Okay, that is things. Okay, next, the scam is means take the people money and run away, like um, some banks, that is a bank related one, not people money, it is exactly say bank money. Those who are doing the scam, that is up to them, up to bank only, it is not involve us. What is involved us? Okay, government sanction the money and someone stole the money, and they given biscuit to you. For example, government sanction a, a 10 crore rupees, and someone take it and nothing, no roads, nothing is there, that is exactly a scam. So understanding different scams in different way. So now I'm not going with the scams. Okay, I don't mind about Arshad Mehta and all, whatever it is. Okay, they people there are doing whatever they done. We are not suffering because of that one. Actually we are suffering because of, we do so many mistakes. We are believing falsely, false beliefs, false beliefs. Okay, so whatever it is, unnecessarily I put a thing in record. This is ITL really make me mad always. Always, it is not one time. Okay, so I approached a company. So Yash told that one. So this is hashtag technologies. That is Ramya Tech Technologies. Okay, so Ramya started a IT business, need a computers. Then approach this one, asking for, yeah, this is one scam is there, na? Asking for, I need 100 computers. What is, this is the configuration. Give me the quotation. Like that, she will approach multiple companies, right? She will approach multiple companies to get a quotation. First quotation. Okay. So usually the scam thing is there. That's a different part. But which one is providing quality, quality product? So first one is which one is providing quality, lesser the cost, lesser the cost, quality, cost. We will check it, right? Quality we have to check it, cost, trust, trust of the company. How long this company is available? Okay, how long this is available next? You know, Nowadays we have a e-commerce website to buy things, but still a lot of people want to buy with extra money to shops only. Okay, like my mom want to buy anything, she will buy from their trusted shops only. Why? Because of the person, directly we know the person, and if any issue is there, so they will talk to that person only. Even myself, I purchased one when I came to Pune first time. I purchased few electrical things, like a bulb and all kind of stuff, that is heater and all. I purchased from roadside only. Roadside means shop only, not in online. So why? Because of, if something is goes wrong, I can approach him. He given 1 year guarantee, personal warranty. So shop is still there. That's the important. Online we don't know. 10 days only days. Online any problem, 10 days. Okay, you have to return it within a 10 days, or you have to give the complaint. Maybe they will come and not. We don't know. So the key thing is trust, quality, and cost. So based on that, we'll get a quotation. Next, once you say okay, go with this quotation, then this company will provide a computers to us. Okay, so now we got a computer. What is the next one? So this is a service request, and then we given a, as per SLA, I will give you computers. But what is in an agreement is there? I put a agreement, SLA agreement. So service level agreement. What is a service level agreement? Um Deliver the computers to my office. You don't come. You should deliver to the office. Install the computers means fix all the computers in a proper order. That's it. That's it. Okay. Mm. Only that one. This is my SLA currently. Currently. Now this company deliver all computers, fix the computers. They open all the things. They fix the computers in their respective manner. So completed. Now SLA completed, payment done. Then that's it. Now the computers are electronic things, right? Computers are electronic things. We need a repair also. So either I approach this company, or maybe I will go to some small company. What is this company will do? Will provide a maintenance. But they said, if it is a annual maintenance contract, AMC. AMC means annual maintenance contract. What this company will do? I will go with a small name, Sweetie. Sweetie said, I will provide AMC. What is AMC? Annual maintenance contract. In this one, again in this contract, every 1 month, my person personally will come to your office and check each and every computer. Check each and every computer. So make sure it is working good. Next, if got any issue, if you got any issue, we will solve it. So any issue, complaint, complaint to my office, I will send a candidate to repair this your computer. And any replacement of, listen carefully, any replacement of component like a RAM is not working, processor is not working, replacement of component is chargeable, is chargeable. Okay, that is my thing. Okay, so it is chargeable. Okay, first one. Okay, next, if in case once I made a repair, okay, each I change the component with charge, I'll give you 3 months warranty. Within a 3 months warranty, if this component is not working, then I will change it freely. Understand? So this is my maintenance contract. Now I got an issue, I call to company, AMC company. They come and they will repair. If they didn't come, then problem, SLA is not done properly. Okay, so what is the SLA here to this company is repairing one. So when I call the person, they should come, check the system, repair the system. And I ask this person, install operating system, install printer, do the networking, all kind of stuff. They don't do it. What is mentioned in this SLA, only they will follow. Service level agreement. Also, you can take for each and everything, for connecting networks, maintaining firewalls, like that. So many things we can able to it. For our understanding, I told this example. Okay. SLA contract, a service contract where the service is formally defined. In practice, term SLA sometimes use it to refer contract delivery time. Guys, what do you do today? Go to each and everything. Start with the introduction, service strategy, design, transaction, operation, and this one. Go one by one. Just read it. Just read it. Don't go with writing a notes and all. All notes are given here. All the points are given here. Don't write anything kind of stuff. Don't try very hard. Just read it. When you read it, try to take one example. With example, read it. With example, read it. So take an example and relevant that example as per that one. So you'll understand more. Because of that one only I'm telling these many stories, except that scam story. Except the scam story. I'm telling all these things. Why? Because of each one you will understand while you read it. So I don't have a time now, and my throat is already paining. So I will explain these things and I will leave it today. Okay. So next, you have to study the definition. I will tell the definitions what to study. Compulsory tomorrow I will ask. Okay. Tomorrow two times I will ask, morning and as well as afternoon. So then I have to make sure that you should study it or not. Okay. So you have to study the definitions first. Next one is go to the PPT, read all the PPTs. You don't, if you don't understand, also not at all a problem. If you don't, not at all understanding, not at all a problem. Just read it once. And while you're reading, think of one example. Constructing a building, hotel, or maybe a tire puncture, anything you can able to take it. Think as a one business and start studying. Relevant it, you will understand. If you don't understand, still no problem. But reading is very important. Read like just a newspaper. You don't need to understand anything. Okay. Service transition. What is a service transition? Service strategy is belongs to planning, service design to design it. Okay. Service transition to build and deploy. Service transition is like build and deploy IT services. Service transition is like a build and deploy. So also make sure that changes to service and service management process are carried out in according way. Any changes required while you are building, you must change those things. Who will tell change? Who will tell that changes based on issues, previous issues? Now we have to make sure that the issue should not be there. Everything there is an example. Everything there is an example from each and every person life. So I'm giving example what I seen in my life. So that's why I'm telling all these things. Okay. So when I was in Hyderabad, again this is Hyderabad story only. Okay. So we took a Airtel internet connection that time. Okay, we took a internal Airtel internet connection. So what happened? So this is the modem and there is a connection. There is a problem is occurred at connection. There is a loose connection. When raining is there or any heavy wind is there, that time this is our connection is not working. I thought something there is a disturbance and leave it. We don't mind. Okay. So normally in summer time it is working good, and any rainy season and all it is not at all working. So connecting disconnecting is happen. So we don't much given a complaint on it. So what happened one Saturday, Sunday full of rain and it is not working for almost one day. Next day my sister came and said, why what happened? Internet is not working since yesterday or 2 days from 2 days. She given a complaint. The guy came and he said there is a loose connection issue is there in a cable connection. Now I connected. Now it is working good. But later, if you got a issue, you have to tell the candidate change the cable. Give one straight cable. Don't put a break cable there. Currently, problem is solved. But next time, if you got this issue, compulsory tell put a new cable on it. Understand what happened here. Understand the situation and relevant to us. What happened here? Improper service delivery. Improper service delivery. Okay. improper service delivery. Because of this improper delivery, I got an issue and I keep on getting issue again and again and again. So here also when I given a complaint, the guys what is suggested change. What he is suggested change the cable so then problem will be solved forever. So that is here. Of course, we got another problem because of some person, but that someone cut our wire later. Okay, so that is another part. But here it is understand improper delivery. Of course, in Pune example is also there. I purchased first time I took a credit card 2 years back. So I purchased a refrigerator with all daring. Okay, because I don't spend money more than 1,000 2,000 thing for anything. So first time I purchased a refrigerator, the guy delivering that time he hit the refrigerator while he's taking into the first floor only. So it hit at least 2 times into walls and other things. Okay, so what happened? I got a doubt. It is whether it is working or not. The guy after delivering into home, he said, "You have to keep this package. If in case if it is not working, it is very useful for your returning." And immediately I got a heart attack, almost heart attack. So why he's deliver and in proper way, and also he's telling suggesting if in case it is not working, so you have to return this one. So proper delivery is very important. Now luckily it is working. Okay, proper delivery is also very important. It is a best to stay proactive and make sure that process and services are working effectively. The best to save company from spending failed projects. What is that meaning is if you build it properly, required changes you have to done changes and deliver to the customer in a proper way. So then it will work good. It is best to save the company from spending failed projects. You done very everything good, but in a delivery time or issues when you done something here, but at customer side it is not working, then problem is occurs. So that is to understand in a service strategy. There is so many sub life cycles are there in a service strategy design and transition. So in service transition, important life cycle is change management, compulsory change management, guys. Important one is change management. ITL change manage aim to control life cycles of all changes. Not only this change, design change, transition, and operations like that. The change management involved in a so many in a other life cycles also. It give suggestions to the change. For example, I told the wire changing or in change. So if you change it, the problem may be solved or maybe problem won't occurs next time. So as I said, one example, beam network and other network is a different changes approaches, right? So beam and ACT. So what is the difference? They change from one to another one. So then quality of services will occur. Changing of RAM, changing of processor. Like you have a 4 GB RAM, you are changing to 8 GB RAM. Then that is also change. What is required for change? Requirement for a change is required. So your personal system is not working. You must change something inside. Maybe your hard disk is not working. You must change it. You are upgrade your system. You must add a new RAM. Then it is also considered as a change. There is a two type of changes are there: normal change and emergency change. What is a normal change? Evaluating request procedure and then categorize minimum, major, or significant refer to various management for a final authorization. It means, for example, you want to change your RAM to 4 GB to 8 GB. For example, from 4 GB to 8 GB, you want to change the RAM. What to do? Ask your father money. Father, I want money to change the RAM. Is important. Now currently important or next also important, how long you are using. For example, your PC is already old, so is it we can do it. For example, 4 GB is the best for it, and you can't add more RAM because not available. Our model is not available. Okay, so what kind of RAM? You have to test it like that. So you have to test the change. First of all, you have to test the change in a test environment, apply the change, note down the change, and tell everybody to what change you are done. Guys, change management is very important one, because whatever the work you do in your organization, that is you do change only. Important is you're doing change management only. So if some application not working, issue is there, open the application, check the code, issue there in the code, you have to change it. Query, SQL queries, change required in SQL queries. Sometimes maybe from your application to your SQL database server, the query is wrong, then you are getting a wrong data display on the screen. So what to do? Change the queries. So insert options, changing the queries is important. So normal change is you have to note down the what change is required, give the authorization and test it, and finally after approving change it and document it and inform to others what change you made it. Emergency changes, you don't get much time to changes. Example of emergency changes: system down. For example, we seen a ride controller, right? Ride, three disks are working now, one disk is failure. Immediately you have to change the disk. Or maybe RAM is failure, RAM is not working, system is down, immediately you have to change the RAM. Processor is not working, you have to change the processor. So you don't have a time to analyze, test, or any everything, waiting for a final authorization, finance related opinions. No need of that one. So immediately you have to change it, so then you can able to maintain your service and infrastructure online always 100% down. Service operations is a very big one. Okay, so next, after change and including changes, service operations actually we are dealing with in organizations, because of the planning, designing, and will take care of the people who are working on it, so higher people. Okay, next level is building and deploying is by developer or people who make it and sending it. Of course you will do it, that one. Building and deploying, service operations, both are your responsibilities. You must study build and service transition and service operations compulsory. Service operations are very important. Okay, service operation is to make sure that IT services are delivered effectively, efficiently. Delivering, who is delivering? Service transition. Okay, this include fulfilling user requests, resolving service failures, fixing problems, as well as carrying out routine operational tasks. Okay, routine operational task. So regular service approaches, what issues are occur, so what happened, so you have to completely monitoring it, and any issues occur, go and fix it. These are the main things dealt by service operations. Next, purpose of service operation: to coordinate and carry out activities, process required to deliver and manage at a agreed level to business users and customer. What are the service level agreement you done with the customers? So make sure that it should be fulfilled and continuously can able to deliver. For example, I got internet connection today, tomorrow it is disconnected. So what is the use of that one? No, right? Like that. Any detectable occurrence that signified for IT infrastructure management. What is the event? Event, when event is occurs, any detectable occurrence. Guys, you must read these things. Again, I will tell at the last. Okay, these are a very important one. Compulsory. What is event? Any detectable occurrence that significant for a IT infrastructure management. It means system is online, disk is online, disk is online, offline. online, offline, service is up, service is down. Everything comes under event only, not unnecessary thing. User is typed abcd, it's not better. User login successful, user login failure. Understand event. Windows logs also, there are already told Windows logs go through once. Okay, so what is event? Okay, so event in that one, three things are generated. One is just information like a login successful, device is online, these are a event kind of stuff. Device is offline, or you utilize your disk space completely 100%, like 80% disk space is utilized. Okay, or more traffic is generating. These are all warnings. Warnings. Next one is errors. Errors. Event errors. Error kind of stuff. What is this error? User failed to log in. Switch failure. So then a segment of network is not connecting. A segment is down. Server is down. Service is down. Disk is failure. These are all comes under warnings in the event management. Information, warning, errors. Three things. But normally, what is event? Anything occurs in a detectable occurrence is called a error. There's a small noise in my kitchen. What would be there? I don't know. Okay, so that is any detectable occurrence that signifies for a IT infrastructure management, like a user login successful, user login failure, or warnings generated from the system, service is down, everything comes under event only. Alerts, warning that threshold has been reached, something has changed, or failure is occurred. What is an alert? We will get an alert immediately, like notification will come on. No? I received a mail, okay, or a disk is full, disk is full, warning. Okay, disk is full, warning. Disk is down, failure, alert. So immediately the person who is sitting in a service desk person knows something is issues occur, and immediately he will tell the team to attend and solve the problem, like a notifications, alert. Okay, like that. Service request from the user for information, advice, or standard change of IT services. Request from the user wants some access, user want to access some storage, user want to access printer, user want to access through VPN. He want a VPN access. Now he's working in office from 2 days, like he want to take a, he want to do work from home, he has some work from home kind of stuff, like work from home, he need a VPN connection. Okay, maybe you want to take a printout, so he is asking for a printer request. Maybe you want some information in a organization, so yeah, you asking for a user information. That is called a service request. Next one is incident. This is very important. Again, all are important and very important. Incident, problem, change. Incident, problem, change. Then event, alert, service request, workaround. Okay. What is the incident? Unplanned interruption to the IT services called incident. Unplanned interruption. What is unplanned interruption? You didn't plan anything. So suddenly service is down, server is down, disk is down. Okay, disk is down. Okay, storage is down. This is an unplanned interruption. Internet is down. Unplanned interruption. Last time we got internet interrupt, power cut interruption. Next we got a internet disconnection interruption. Unplanned interruption to IT services called incident. Whenever you get a incident report, network is not working, switch is down, or maybe internet is down, or maybe server is down, like that. When you receive a interruption is occurred, so we call that one as an incident, and immediately you have to go and fix it. That is we call it as a workaround. Workaround means temporary way to overcome the issue. Temporary means not a temporary, immediately fixing it. So you don't need to wait for all analysis kind of stuff. So when issues occur, immediately go and fix it. That is called a workaround. Maybe it is solved permanently, may not be solved permanently also. Problem. What is the problem? Incident and problem are side by side people. Unknown root cause of one or more incident. I got an incident. For example, in our office, we have one beautiful system. Some beautiful systems are there. So our guys are, usually not boys. Usually girls only will do that one. They'll keep on moving their legs. They'll kick our systems. When because of kicking system, the internal wires are already loose connection. Because of loose, the disk is disconnected. Suddenly says our system is not working. It is showing this error. So I have to go to the system, open the system, disconnect it, and connect it back. Let's keep on doing that one. So lose connection. Okay. Sometimes we try to fix it, but it is not fixing it. Or sometimes the issue is occur again and again. Means disk is disconnected. I fixed it. After a few days, again disk is disconnected. After 2 3 days, again disk is disconnected. It means what happened? The same incident occurring again and again and again. So I have to find out root cause of. Maybe I have to change the cable. So then I can overcome the issues. So then to change it, you need a change management. To change it, you need a change management. So incident, it is initially anything is occurs, anything interruption occurs, that we call it as an incident only. Anything is occurs, that we call it as a incident only. The incident is later considerable as a problem if you don't know the why incident is occur, or the incidents are occurring again and again, same incident is occurring again and again, or same incident is occurring again and again, or so you didn't find a solution for that incident, unknown root cause of that incident. You have to go for analyze the incident and find out the permanent solution, finding out permanent solution for that problem, because incident is considered as a problem when in these scenarios. One is unknown root cause or a repetition of incident, so we consider that one as a problem. Sometimes for to solve the problem we need a change management. So you have to consult the change management, the replacement of ram, replacement of cable, replacement of disk, like that. All example I'm telling in a system IT services manner only, but you can tell different examples also. What is a request for change? That is request for change. Any modifications required in a IT organization, so you must change it. Okay, so by either it is normal change or emergency change, you must put it in a document. So that is the statements. Again, now here, what is ITL? What are the benefits of ITL? If you want, you can add a characteristics of ITL. File life cycles. What is the meaning of file life cycles? And these statements: event, alert, service request, incident, workaround, problem, and change. So check with the last batch questions also. So you can find these questions are repeatedly asking. Okay. Uh, Still, there is some more thing: service operations, service level desk, management, continual service only. Just 15 minutes to complete this one, then we'll wrap up this today. I'm getting almost every pain in my body, including left, left, and right side also. I'm getting. I'm getting right side pain. Am I going to die? I don't want to die now. It is incident to. Okay. What is service desk? We hear a lot of things. Service desk, non-service desk profiles. What is the service desk will do? Service desk people is a single point of contact between user. User means client and a IT employee. Guys, lot of people having a question around this one. So, sir, are you going to this? Is this a job like a BPO type of job? So we have to communicate with the customer. Means, are you telling this is a BPO job? Okay, no, no, no. What we are profile is, your profile is not belongs to any BPO, is like customer care kind of stuff. technical support kind of stuff is not there. Your job is little bit different. So but understand what is customer, what is a IT service provider, what is their differences. Understand that one. Guys, never think BPO, customer care, technical support, or a public customers, private customer, or anything. Never think there are very low people. India is survived in 2008 recession. So actually my starting this class is, I started with non-IT companies, IT companies, stuff, right? Non-IT depends upon IT. Sorry, non-IT required IT. Okay, IT required IT. So these three do things I already told, right? So it is occur in 2008 IT recession. Actually, it is not IT recession. It's a global recession occur. In a big countries, okay, America, Australia type of companies, their non-IT companies faced a huge loss. Non-IT companies faced a huge loss in that one, including Bridgestone. That's why I tell MRF and Bridgestone, by a specifically I tell Formula One racing number one sponsor is a Bridgestone. At the time of 2009, Bridgestone not sponsored Formula One race. It is left from that one because it cannot able to sponsor it because it is in a loss. It is a tire company, and we think IT loss, IT company loss. Lot of people lost the job in IT companies. IT companies are closed, but in reality, non-IT companies are faced a big issues. They go for a bankrupt, so they can't able to pay money for bank loans and all. So then they go for cost cutting. So what is the additional cost of non-IT company? What they have to pay? They have to pay for IT companies. Then IT company can pay other IT company and IT employees. Understand, right? So these non-IT companies are in a loss in not in India, other countries, including General Motors, GE, and Bridgestone, MRF, so many companies there are in this one. So they can't able to pay money to banks and IT companies. So they are cancel the service of IT services. So companies are closed. So these IT companies in America and Australia or other countries, so they are getting support from India and other countries, right? So IT support, IT business dealing with them. In India, so non-IT companies are not get closed. But what are the effect on this IT company? Is effect happen in India also. In India, IT companies also get affected because of these IT companies are affected because of this non-IT. So what we are done already, I told just when I told this scam kind of stuff. Understand the real situation. Really, the only few people are telling the what is happening. So please try to check it, verify with the background stories and all. Including myself, I prefer only one or two people to know what it is. It is. Okay, so okay. So what happened? Non-IT down in other countries. Their IT companies, the dependent IT services providers, now they are down. Later, the India, which is we are dealing in India, that is IT down. But only one IT companies is alive and keep on going. That is BPO. How many people lost their job? People who are working in a BPO. How many people you know lost their job? Zero. No one lost their jobs. They got a jobs in the BPO only. So they never see some profiles as a cheaper. They saved our country. First IT industry started with the BPO, and BPO in India, mainly India is dealing with outsourcing only. We are not developing anything for India. We are developing everything and supporting from India. So that is very important to understand. Okay. In 2008, my engineering pass out year, IT company gone, non-IT company gone, no salaries, 5,000 rupees. My first offer is 5,000 rupees. Of course, I didn't went there. I got a job. My first salary is 6,500. This is my starting salary, and it is slowly. Even though experience and knowledge won't work there, I got to finally 15,000. Now it is good after jumping something. Okay. So this is what happened to IT company and non-IT company. You know what happened that time? So people created a rumor. IT company is can be down or can be up or can be down again. So if you take mechanical engineering, it is a forever. If you take civil engineering, it is for forever. Already told guys, ITL make me always crazy. I will speak so many things. Okay, mechanical, civil, electrical are a forever. You will guarantee to get a job either in IT company or in a core company. Can you tell how many core companies are started and we are getting a job in these things? Of course, civil little bit safe, but tell me about mechanical and electrical. Originally, electrical is very good. Very best branch is ECE because you know how many jobs are available for ECE people? Zero. ECE, ENTC outside the direct core jobs available is zero. You want a job, you must be highly talented candidate. Okay, you must know subject very well to get a job in original IT electronics companies. Otherwise, you have to work for very less salary, like 5,000, 6,000 only. Okay, IT may not be stable, but think about this thing. They may have a core jobs. They definitely don't have any core jobs. So don't put a opinion on what branch and all. Don't give misguidelines and don't get misguidelines. At least for your next generation, at least if you have a brother or anyone is studying intermediate and next going for engineering, tell them take whatever the branch you like it. Don't check up and downs on it. Good at mathematics, so you'll pass in a three examinations. Beautiful examinations. What are there? Max 1, Max 2, and Max 3. Okay. If you complete these examinations and C and DS, okay, and drawing, okay, engineering drawing, if you pass in these examinations, you almost jump from almost like it is, you know, you are in this top. Remaining subjects you can pass, but only thing is you have to study well. So these are most common subjects in all branches. If you fail in that one, you are engineering student forever. After 4 years also, you are keep on studying these subjects. Anybody having experience in that one? Huh? How many people like Max M1, M2, M3?
No, sir.
You don't like it?
No.
No.
You must like it. Without it, mathematics, there is no engineering. Engineering, science, scientist, all kind of stuff came from mathematics only. Because of sadly, there are not teaching max is a engineering way. They're teaching max in a max way, and we don't know what formula it is that one. Still, I don't understand max 3. Not even a single pass part. I don't know how I passed in that examination also. Okay, still I don't know. Still one thing else I don't remember. Something delta is there. Something this kind of symbols are there. Still I don't understand. Okay, so luckily I'm in networking anyway. Uh, yeah. Where are we? Service desk, right? So first understanding the customers. First understand the customers. Okay. So who is the customer? So who is the customer? This is my company. This is my company. Okay, this is my company. Okay, I have a systems in my company. I have a systems. Employees are working on systems or laptops. Okay, so employees are working on systems. Okay, and sorry, and I have a server. I have a servers also. Okay, and I have a routers, firewalls. I have a firewalls, VPNs are there, and everything is connected. Network, internet is also connected. data centers, everything is there. I'm sitting here. Now I got a complaint. The complaint is like this. This person system is not working. This is a employee of mine. His system is not working. So what he do? Understand, guys? What he do? He given a complaint to service desk. So now the role of service desk. He will given a complaint. Service desk, my system is not working. This service desk will has one employee's bench is there here. So these people are sitting, okay, inform to a technical person. A technical person. Alright, tell to everyone like so who is available that time he will the service desk person will send a person to here and solve the issue. Okay, this is one thing. Understand? It's an employee, system is not working, system is in my office only. It is not working, give a complaint to service desk. The team in the service desk will go and fix the issues. Or second one, this is the first one. Second, so many things are. Or for example, user is trying to log into system, is saying that password is wrong. Password is wrong. So you're asking the service desk, it is showing a password is wrong. Then reset the password and send the password to user and you'll try the password. You can fix the issues or you send the issues to others so they will do it. You have a team to do some work so they will you can send to the team or you can solve the issues depends upon your level, depends upon your level, level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3, and depends upon the complaint also we have to take it. Now who is giving a complaint? Our employee. Who is giving complaint? Our employee. Who is handling the complaint? Service desk people. Our employee. Who is solving the issue? Our employee. Understand? Our employee. So this is called a internal customers. This is called internal customer. What is internal customer means? The the customer is our organization member only. Internal customer. Next, here is one organization is there. This is some organization. Some yeah. We take an example, right? Always speak in a one way. Ramya. This is Ramya company, and okay, we'll go with the easy name, Sweetie company. Okay, so don't think guys are ignoring others. I will take your names also. Okay, maybe I will use your names in next batch. Okay, Sweetie company. They need a service. For example, Sweetie company required a web server. They need a web server, right? They need a web server. So what I done, I take my one of the server, I created a web server here, and I given access to this company. So where is the web server? In my company. Where I given access to other company. Their employees access the web server and creating a web applications database and everything. Okay, update all the files into that one so they can access the web server and web services also. So this is web server. Now issue is occurred. For example, they are trying to put it some database in the web server through web database web server to the web server. What happened? The data is not updating. What they will give a complaint. Here is a person understand take the complaint. Okay, try to solve the issue or send to a particular team so they will looking into that issue. Okay, they are looking into that issue, they solve the issue, they will fix the issues. Now who got a issue? This person who is working in other company, who is providing a service, our company. If issue occurs, then who is solving the problem? Our company only. So the company Sweetie company is a customer to the Ramya company, right? Who is the customer? Sweetie. And who is provider? Ramya. Okay, so what this customer we call it as external customer. Okay, the user in the different company accessing our services, and we are providing support to that customer. Okay, we are supporting that customer. It means this is external. Okay, next. But external, it is also external. External, two types of externals are there. This is one type of external only. So one company to another company. A company creating a project and providing it to others. Others are utilizing, and we are maintaining that project. We are maintaining the servers, or maybe we are maintaining application, or maintaining or supporting the issues. Next. Now I don't draw the boxes. I will draw the pictures only. Again, here is a customer. Okay, so this is a customer. For example, we'll take the name. Okay, Ajit. Okay, so Ajit is a customer. For example, he is accessing website. This website only is accessing a website. Now the website is not working properly. Is there some application related one website? For example, Naukri.com, Passport.com, Google.com, whatever it is accessing an application. So many applications are there, na? Like is accessing a website. For example, um, CloudX Lab. This is a website. We can try to register. Is not getting register, or is already registered but unable to log in. Okay. 2G scam is different, guys. Buy gold with briskets, sir. Okay, okay, okay. No, sir. Okay, 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 okay. Alpha, beta, gamma. There's so many things are there in mathematics. Here, okay. So there is a so many website. For example, I take a CloudX Lab. I log in so CloudX Lab. I'm using. Suddenly, my courses is not loading. The course is not loading. Or I try to purchase a course. The course is not supporting. So what I do? Okay. So what I do? I have to give a complaint, right? So I have to give complaint. To whom I have to give complaint? To these people or these people? So I this is not able to access. I am giving a complaint to this one or this one based on their they given either they're directly handling by these people or these people, either they way. But point is, who is this candidate? Okay, that candidate is Ajit. Does not look like that one, but is Ajit. Okay, so who is this? Is a public customer. I am a customer. I don't have any contract with companies, right? Directly a particular service. Like I'm a normal public customer. I log into your website. I paid a money for the course. Now I'm not able to access it. So I given a complaint. Where is the complaint box? Then I have to go there. I have to send a mail. I can't able to access it. Or chat support, mail support, or a call support, toll free numbers. I have to give the complaint. For example, I'm using a Microsoft operating system. I got an issues. How to call to Microsoft? I got an issue. This is the external customer only. What I said it is external customer, but is a public customer. Is a public customer. Both are external customers. Both users are external customer, but this user is also public customer because he's accessing through publicly. So that is here. Okay, so understand the customer. So as for the service desk, so your role is support companies as per your role. Okay, your role is to support other company. So your company is providing a service to other company, so you have to make sure that the services should be always up. Any changes requirement, any issues occur, you have to take it and solve the problem and fix it and report it fixed. So that is your duty. Your duty is from company like a Cognizant and Cognizant client companies are there, no? So what are the service you are providing from your company? So that client company should get the services and make sure you have to maintain your infrastructure properly. Immediately any issues occur, you have to solve it. So there's a two things you have to do it. So one is their project and your infrastructure management. So if you maintain these two things, so that is your job role. Either you have to maintain infrastructure role, or you have to maintain their project, okay, or you have to maintain their infrastructure. Okay, so you are supporting their infrastructure also possible. Like they have their data centers, but you are maintaining from your company. That is also your external customers only. You are maintaining their infrastructure in their environment remotely. You are accessing or directly are accessing. So that is also we can call it as a customer and a company job role. Okay, so of course there is a few more things are there. Service desk, where it is, yeah, that is a service desk. Usually, like it is a single point of contact to between users or whatever the customer it is and employees. You have to tell employees what is the duty of this service desk people. Take the complaint, raise the complaints, fix the issues, like that. Service desk has a like responsibility of daily operational activities managed by, I think, provide centralized monitoring and control activities. Okay, this is a service continuous service improvement. It deliver business value by ensuring that service management implementation continue to deliver uh, desired business benefits. Purpose of 7 steps implement is to define, manage. Steps need to be identified, define, gather, analyze, percent, and implement improvements. Define what to measure, define what to area to measure, collecting data and all. So you have to analyze and gather information and all. So we can suggest our life cycles or organization what should be changed to achieve the better quality services, and next level of organization will be defined by continuous service improvement. My energy completely done. Guys, study this one also. Last one again. So last point again. Tell guys, compulsory study. Read today ITIL. If you don't read DevOps or Docker kind of stuff, I don't mind now. Today completely study this one. What is ITL? What is benefits of ITL? File life cycles. What is the meaning of file life cycles? Change management, incident, alert, service request, workaround, problem change thing. Okay. Next level is, so what is a service desk levels? What is service desk? Okay, and what is SOP? Just read it. Okay. Tomorrow I will ask again. Tomorrow I will explain it again. I will explain very shortly. Okay. So if possible, go through. Not if possible, better to go once. These PPTs, read once. That's it. Read once. If you don't understand, still no problem. Okay. I already forward this one. Okay. Now tell me. So 2G